I have these unfinished hanging wood decor from the Dollar Tree. I have 4 of them. They measure about 11 3/4. There's 2 holes on the one side that had the hanger. I'm going to use the holes as a reference to create more holes on the opposite side. So I'm just laying the holes that were there on one of the pieces of wood that do not have holes on the bottom, and I'm going to drill my holes. And I want holes on all corners of the pieces of wood. Now this other slatted piece of wood is about 16 inches. I got that from the Dollar Tree as well. And I painted everything in Wise Owl Snow Owl, allowed it to fully dry, and then went on top of it with my top coat of Wise Owl varnish. You want this to have a nice slick surface. That's why I did the top coat. I found this wall sticker from the Dollar Tree. It says laundry room, and that's going to go on my largest piece of wood that measured just under 16 inches. It hangs over a little on the top and bottom, but we will cut that off. I found another wall sticker that matches the laundry room one, and there's 4 stickers on it. It says sort tomorrow, wash later, dry soon, fold maybe. And these smaller pieces are going to each go onto the center of the smaller slatted pieces of wood. And I'm just rubbing them down. And this is the order I want everything to lay in. I have this wired rope. It's like a wire with a paper over top. You get it from Hobby Lobby. You find it around this time of year in the fall section. And I'm going to start at the bottom hole and string this through each hole going up the right side of my small slatted pieces of wood. And then I'm going to tie a knot on both ends. You can do a double knot. You just want it big enough so it doesn't slip back through the pre-drilled hole. And then I'm going to cut the extra off. And I'm going to repeat that now on the left side, starting at the bottom, weaving this through the holes on the left side, and when I get to the end, I'm going to tie a knot. I'm going to cut the extra sticker that's hanging off the edges with a razor blade. I have a hanger. I believe I got this one from IKEA. It just happened to be in my stash of hangers. I'm going to spray paint the top in this gold metallic spray paint. And I have 3 clothespins that I'm also going to spray paint. I'm going to remove the painter's tape from the wood on the hanger. And I'm going to paint that entire thing in Wise Owl Black. And now I want all my pieces to fully dry. I have these gold half beads that I also spray painted, and I'm going to cover up the holes on the larger piece of wood with the half beads. I'm going to flip that over and hang the 4 slats from the back of the big sign. I'm placing a piece of painter's tape so that I get it nice and even so that it's hanging properly. And I'm going to leave the tape there until this hot glue dries. This is lightweight, so I'm just going to put a lot of hot glue and allow that to dry. Once dry, I'm going to remove the painter's tape and clip that wire shorter. And yes, you can paint the back side for a finished look. I'm then going to take my hanger and clip it on top of the laundry room as if you were hanging a pair of pants, and then place my clothespins. And I really think this came out cute. I love these stickers from the Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, wood cutouts can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, our subscription box is reopening August 24th. You can get on the wait list.